Are you an ambitious entrepreneur and a businessman who would like to push yourself beyond your comfort zone to achieve everything that you can desire in 2023? Do you believe that success lies just on the other side of your comfort zone? And with 2024 already on the horizon, now's the time to stretch yourself, to step outside of that comfort zone and into your growth zone. Now is the time to expand your horizons, expand your boundaries, push past your fears, both personally and within your business. This is about pushing yourself beyond what you've become comfortable with so that you can reach new experiences, challenges, and growth. In this, my 10th workshop, aimed to help you retain, gain, and move through your dreams and goals in 2023. Myself, my invited guests, are going to speak exactly on this topic: how to change, grow, and transform yourself by stepping outside of your comfort zone. For many years, I've called the comfort zone the most dangerous place on earth. When you're in the comfort zone, things are okay. You're satisfied. You've settled for what you have, and perhaps you've experienced financial loss and personal loss. You're now sitting in that position where you're just accepting your lot in life. You're comfortable. And inside of the zone, your life is simple, somewhat normal, often boring, and it's made up of the same routines, the complaints, and the challenges. Each month rolling one into the other. There's no growth personally or financially, and you're just okay. As the saying goes, you die at the age of 40, you're buried at 70. If I was to ask you what is new and exciting in your day, you'd say, same old, I'm just getting by. Well, I've got some sad news for you. I no longer can associate with you. I must say goodbye. I'm not able to be around with somebody who is in that comfort zone acceptance state. It's time to create the new you. It's time to push yourself outside of that comfort zone where you can make a real impact in yourself and also society at large. And together we'll grow. Together we can get stronger. Together we can lift each other and stretch each other past our horizons and grow. And this month's speakers are going to help you exactly get out of that comfort and push yourself to where you didn't believe was entirely possible. You're going to meet the amazing Meg Roundell-Green from the UK, who is on a mission to help entrepreneurs make more money and more profitably. Then Catherine Horler, also from the UK, who's a personal transformational facilitator. And the eloquent Ellie Jarvis from Canada, our resident mindful coach and entrepreneur. And then myself, Tim Wagner, your host and stress-free goal activation guide. So click the link on the left now. Register your space. And I'll see you on Thursday the 26th at 1 p.m. EST, which is 7 o'clock South Africa, 6 p.m. in the UK. And together, we will drive forward to break those boundaries outside of your comfort zone.